go to Google Chrome, the colorful circle, and you're going to type in Google Slides. Hit enter. The first link you see should be google.com/slides. Click on that, please. Then click on Go to Google Slides. You are going to log in with your username, exactly how you get on the computer. Hold Shift down, hit the number 2 at the same time. That gets you the fancy @ sign. k12.smcps.org for St. Mary's County Public Schools. Hit Next. Your lunch number with a 18 at the end, then hit Next. My son did give me permission to use his account for an example. Go ahead and click on the plus sign, please, and type your name at the top. Okay? Here you will start adding your text. Whatever topic, you'll have to look at your rubric to see what you're supposed to be doing. If you want to change the way your text looks, highlight it and look for a font you like better. Okay? If you want to change the size, come over to the numbers, change the size. Bold, underline, or italics rather, underline. Okay? And then color can be changed here. And it says click subtitle. You'll see what you need to put in here. Okay? Now, if you want to change the spacing on this guy and maybe justify it to the left, click on your dots. Over here, you can send it to the left. If you want to center, click here, you can center it. Okay? If you want to add a page, come over here, click the plus sign. It adds an automatic page. Or down here, you can get a more complicated page, but I would suggest just clicking on the plus sign. Here, you're going to add pros of playing a sport. That's just what I chose. Remember to center, 3 dots over here, center, done. I don't like the white background, so I'm going to click on the background, right click, and say change background. I could pick any color background that I want. I like pink, so I'm going to pick that. If I want them all to be pink, I'll say add to theme, boom, all of my slides are pink. Okay? So then I want my font to be a different color now. Remember, it's over here, and I'm going to see what yellow looks like. Shows up okay, but I want it to be bolder, and I want to change what it looks like. All right, there we go. Now I want to add an image. So I'm going right here to image, and I'm saying search the web, and I want to put in soccer. I hit enter, and I think make it quick. This looks fun. I'm going to click on it and say insert. Now, if I want to change the size of my picture, you'll see I've got these blue squares on the edges. I'm going to drag it into the size I want and put it right here. Now, I would like to add some lines off of this guy and draw them out like this. There's one. I'm going to do one here, put one down here, and then I want to put in a shape. I'm going to do a call out over here. Whoops. I'm going to do this because I'm going to say what a pro of playing a sport is. So to add text, I'm going to go to the T, click in my shape, and say health, because playing a sport adds to your health. To move that box, I just move it over like that. All right? And then I could do the same thing over here, but I don't want to bore you. So think, you know how to change the background color. You right click, say change background. You can change the color. Done. You know how to change the font. You highlight it, come up here to the type of font you want, click whichever one you want. You know how to change the color. Highlight it, come up here, pick your color. And you know how to add a picture by going up here and saying search from the web. You know how to add lines right here. And you know how to add shapes right here. All right, now to share this with me, you're going to go ahead and click share, type in AAWATHEN here, and hit send. It's that easy. Don't forget to check your rubric to make sure you have everything in there that you need.